The productivity of the construction industry worldwide has been stagnating over the past 40 years. Other branches, like the automotive industry, have embraced standardization and modularity as key drivers for productivity. In construction industry, every building is unique, right? Well, when fabrication happens on-site, there are always uncertainties to be taken into account. Missing elements and the complexity of the installation process can become an issue. This results in inconsistencies and inefficient installation processes. Using lean construction, you can improve the situation. Ideally, the pre-designed supports are prefabricated in a production environment using optimized logistics. Additionally, your fire stop solutions are taken into consideration as well. With our logistic partners, you will receive your pre-assembled support systems directly at your job site, along with the right fire stop solutions. Pre-assembly saves up to 50% installation time on site. Through collaborative design, material usage and waste can be decreased enormously, while you receive higher safety and build-as-designed solutions. Be with Hilti. BIM with Hilti.